But anyway, off track. What I was saying was, hello my lovely flowers, it's me Nia with Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and today I'm here with a video reviewing a product. This video is not sponsored. I did receive a sample from the company and then I did purchase it with my own money. Reusable candles. If you are in the event field, or if you are an event planner or a florist or anything like that, you know that you use candles a lot. And I got so tired of spending $5 for a large candle and only being able to use it once. Now I probably could use it a bunch of times, but sometimes I just did not like that look of used candles. So I'm just buying candles, especially the floating ones. So, you know, our retail costs are $5 to whatever. And I had just done a what was it called, a reel, or no, a story on, you know, people want candles for their event and they think that it's going to be so inexpensive, but it's actually expensive. Once you get the cylinder vases, once you get the candles, it starts running up there as the price of flowers. So I was so excited when this company reached out to me. A couple of months ago, one of my event designers had suggested that I use another company, and they were extremely high. This company was a fraction of the cost, and I think the main reason why is because they did not sell the glass containers with the pearls. They sold it. They don't even sell the glass containers. You buy your own glass containers or your own cylinder containers. She just said that they need to make sure that they're at least 4 centimeters in diameter, and I'll show you guys why. So she sent me a sample, and I wanted to open up to my office, and I wanted to open it up with you. And I believe it's pronounced Foton pearl candles. And so they feature a unique pearl candle design that is endless customization. So I guess you're able to like put in the different amounts of how much of sand or how much of the pearl candle that you want in it. It's reusable and it's natural and eco-friendly. So all you do is, one, you pour the pearls into a container, you insert the wick, and you light it. And so Foton is reusable and new every time. Simply remove the wick after it cools and insert a new wick to make it look new again. So they come in 9 pounds or 55 pound size. I purchased a 55 pound and I believe it was $500 and some, but that 55 pound filled 130 cylinder vases that were 4 inches diameter. I had some that were 16. I didn't fill them all the way to the top, all the way down to 5. So it was awesome. So that's what she sent to me, and her name is Heidi. I'll put the, ooh, you can't see it. I'll put the information on the screen if you want to contact her. Just let her know that Nia sent you. So this is also what she sent to me, and they have endless colors. So I purchased white, but if you can see, they have lilac, they have charcoal, they have black, olive. Oh my gosh, this is the white. This is what I purchased. They have baby pink, which I think I'm gonna purchase for my friend's birthday, baby blue. They have sangria, and that's pretty. They have desert rose. They have cherry blossom, which is a very pretty pink too, pistachio, and doom. So those are all the candles, all the different, so let's see, they have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 different colors that you can use. And I swear, I think I'm going to buy like a 9 pound of the black, and probably that's it, because, or you know what? I don't know, I probably will buy the doom. the dooms because that's more like an ivory. And then they also sent me, let's see what's in here. Open this up. Let's see. Oh, it's nice and tight. And so, so scented free pearl candle instructions. So let's see, this is, I guess it's a box that they come in. This is what it looks like. And let's open. Sorry it's taking so long. And then I'm just gonna, comes up like that. It's pretty packaging. Oh wow. And so this is basically, I'll take a picture and put it on there, and this is instructions. But when I got it, I had ordered it on a Monday and I needed them on a Friday. FedEx took forever. It was supposed to be there on Wednesday. I didn't get them till Friday at 12. One of my staff members had to go pick it up from the warehouse and bring it, and we just made it in time. So these are the wicks that you will place into the oh, and those cost too. I forgot how much she said those cost, but oh my gosh, so she sent me a whole bunch of it. You guys can't see it. So this is it. So I use it this weekend. I'm gonna show you a picture. Excuse how dusty this is. It was in the warehouse for 2 days before I went and picked it up, and after it burned, this is all that was used. So this little piece with the wick that I used in it, this was all that was used out of the powder that I had, the pearls that I had put into it. And all you basically do is the next time, I'll probably pour in just a little bit more. You take the wick, which is fairly long, and all you do is just stick it in there, and then you light it up and you burn it. It's very simple, very easy. I would recommend these so much because, like I said, if you're in the event field, you use a lot of candles, and this is reusable. I bought the cylinder vases. I've had the cylinder vases from the candles that I used to use, and all I had to do, and luckily I get 4 inches, because I like for, you know, I get normal size 3 and 7 or 3.5 diameter candles, and I would just put it in there, burn them, and then I would throw them away because like I said, I hate how it looked. Or I would put Foton candles if I didn't want to spend a lot of money. Now this right here, like I said, I got 55 pounds for like 500 some dollars. That was $1 a pound, but this is not even, I swear, it's so light. This a pound, it came in almost like the size of, the 55 pound came in almost the size of a I don't know if you guys ever been in Home Depot and seen the cow manure bag, that big old bag, or cement bag, that big giant bag. It was big. It's more than enough. Like I said, it did 130 cylinder vases, and I probably won't do anything that much because I put 10 cylinder vases on 13 tables. It was awesome. Remember, different sizes too. So this is a great investment. Like she said, once you're finished with it, you just take out the little used piece, toss that, and then all I'm going to do is put this into, I purchased a black container, and I got the scoop thing to scoop it out. And you know what, I think I'm gonna show you guys. So you guys, I wanted to show you basically what she told me to get. So I just got this from Home Depot, and then ooh, can I get it with my nails, y'all? Let me see. So all I did is, sorry, it has a little bit of pampas grass in it, and she just told me all you would do is you would scoop it out. And let me get something real quick and show you. And so here are some Dollar Tree vases, you know. I'm not sure, these probably wouldn't be, they're not good to use because they're only 3 3.4 diameters, while the other ones I have are 4. But what you would do, because I'm not sure if these are tempered glass, and so what you would do, oh gosh, can you see? You would just pour it in and put that wick I told you, and you guys are good to go. So I hope you guys will really consider it. So I'm gonna put a picture right here, and this is how it looked on the table. It was gorgeous. They had different heights. This is a excellent investment if you use a lot of candles, and if you even if you're an event designer and you know, we're tired of spending all that money on candles, it gives a great event, a great look. Now I will, like I said, I'll leave you the information at the bottom of the video down there. Go ahead, don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. I do, well, I've been wedding season. I haven't been posting a bunch of stuff, but what I'm going to start doing is reviewing different things, like stuff from Alibaba, because, or, what's the other place? Alibaba or AliExpress, things that I purchased off of there. I have another candle place that I'm going to review, and it's a reusable long stem candle, and I'm supposed to send that back to her because I didn't end up purchasing anything. They don't fit inside of my candle holders or my candelabras, if I'm pronouncing that right. But anyway, off track. What I was saying was, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I do all different type of videos behind the scenes with my vlogs. I do how design with me and how to make something, and then also I'm going to start reviewing different stuff. So I'll see you next time. Bye.